On the evening of the 28th of January, my wife and I joined Jet from Jet Black Squares for a walk around Canary Wharf to see the Winter Lights show. The idea of this workshop was for us to learn how best to use the cameras built into our modern iPhones, or indeed Android phones, and get better quality images. Understand how to make manual adjustments to these cameras, not just use them as automatic snap machines. As I say, the workshop was all about the cameras in our phones. But we arrived about 2 hours early, and I brought with me my Nikon Z8 with a 16mm f1.8 lens and took the opportunity to walk around part of Canary Wharf, just taking a few shots, so I had something to compare the images that I would take on the phone later in the evening and see how they compared with what I'll call conventional camera. Apart from my wife and myself, there were 5 other photographers on this workshop, so it was a nice little party. Although the weather has been pretty appalling recently, we were fortunate. Just before the workshop started, the rain stopped, and it didn't start again until we'd finished, which was great. conclude, we really enjoyed our trip round Canary Wharf with Jet and found it extremely useful. We learnt a lot from her regarding how to set up various aspects of the phones, the cameras built into the phone I should say, and I'd certainly recommend it to anybody. I'll leave a link below to her website, and meanwhile, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found it enjoyable. Bye for now.